Filing a personal injury claim doesn't mean you're necessarily suing anyone, but if the insurance company refuses to pay, that's when the gloves come off. Most people don't know the difference until it's too late. Many injury victims worry that filing a claim means heading straight to court. In reality, however, claims and lawsuits are two very different stages, and understanding the difference can help you protect your rights and avoid unnecessary stress. Hi. I'm Albert No, COO and attorney here at Brooks Law Firm. Brooks Law is a Boston-based law firm practicing personal injury, or PI, workers' compensation, and immigration law. We've helped clients across the US handle thousands of claims, most of which never went to trial. But when insurance companies play hardball, we're ready to fight for you. In this video, we'll break down what a personal injury claim really is, when a claim becomes a lawsuit, how long you have to decide, why most cases settle before court, and when a lawyer might advise taking it further to litigation. Let's start with the basics. A claim is when you request compensation from an insurance company, usually the at-fault party's insurance, for your injuries, property damage, lost wages, and more. You're not necessarily suing anyone at this point. Instead, you're submitting evidence like medical records, police reports, and photos in a demand letter to support the value of your injuries and losses. So what happens after you file a claim? The insurance company will then review your documents. They may ask for a statement, review medical records, or investigate the accident themselves. Then they'll either accept, negotiate, or deny the claim. If they make a fair offer, your case ends there, but that's not really the case in ever. No court or lawsuit if that happens. In most cases, if they deny your claim, then you may have to escalate the case. That's what would actually bring us to a lawsuit. So then filing a lawsuit would then be a formal legal action filed in court when you can't get a settlement from the insurance company. This would be filing a complaint in the correct court and engaging in discovery, which is a legal term for exchanging evidence. You may have to do a deposition, mediation, or arbitration to try and resolve the case. And if all that doesn't work, you go to trial. Filing a lawsuit in time is important. In most states, you have 2 to 3 years from the date of the injury to file the lawsuit, not just to negotiate. If you let the clock run out, you lose your rights to compensation entirely, and it's a hard and fast rule. So it's very important to worry about the statute of limitation. How do you know if you need a claim or a lawsuit? Most cases start with a claim. Be ready to file a lawsuit if the insurance company won't play fair, but understand that most of the times a claim can just be negotiated with a well-trained lawyer, all in one process. Claim is the request. A lawsuit is the fight. So knowing the difference gives you confidence to move forward and protect your future, whether your case ends with a hefty settlement check or a court date in which you go to trial. If you've been injured and you aren't sure whether to file a claim or lawsuit, let Brooks Law Firm help you understand your options. Drop your questions in the comments, send us a message on social media, or call our office directly at 617-245-8090 to speak with someone from our team. You're always welcome to visit brookslawfirm.com to schedule a private consultation as well, hassle-free. And if this helped you understand the legal process better, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the legal knowledge that protects your rights.